Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to maintain a full pipeline for business success. So, we are diving into a crucial aspect of business growth, planting seeds and nurturing them. If you have ever wondered how to do this effectively, stick around because we've got some practical strategies for you. So, how do you go about planting those seeds for future clients? Well, it all starts with being proactive. One of the first steps we took was to create 3 important lists. You can do this in your own time and I guarantee it will pay off. The first list centers around leads who, at some point, showed interest but never progressed to become clients. It is a treasure trove of potential opportunities that might surprise you. For example, after careful analysis, you might find that you have amassed around 600 of these leads over the course of 4 years. Imagine the potential here. If you have a sales pipeline, this list can be a goldmine waiting to be explored. By re-engaging with these leads, you have a chance to nurture them into valued clients. The second list, which we aptly call the dream client list, consists of those clients who represent the pinnacle of your aspirations. These are the clients you'd absolutely love to work with, the ones who align perfectly with your business values and goals. Take some time to create this list as it serves as your North Star, guiding your efforts and ambitions in the right direction. Lastly, the third list is all about identifying potential referral partners. Think of individuals or businesses that frequently send work your way, such as copywriters, photographers, Facebook ad strategists, SEO agencies, and more. Cultivating relationship with these referral partners can be a game changer for your business. In fact, we have gone the extra mile to provide you with email templates in the accompanying workbook that you can use to initiate conversations with these valuable collaborators. By fostering these partnerships, you can tap into a network that not only supports your growth but also opens doors to new opportunities and connections. Let us talk about the magical first email. The 9-word email, it goes something like this. Hey Jen, are you still interested in our coffee product? John, my operations managers send about 30 of these every day to our list of 600 past leads. He booked 4 sales calls a week and managed to close 4 clients. Some of them had inquired years ago, and some were spurred by the timing of the pandemic. The second email is the dream client email. It starts with the subject line, thinking of you or love working with you. In the email, you express gratitude for the past collaboration and mention what you appreciated about it. Then, you subtly express your desire for more clients like them and ask if they happen to know someone who fits the bill. This technique works wonders because it subtly challenges them, makes the ask seem reasonable, and flatters them by suggesting they are one of the best. Plus, you remind them of the benefit you provided. Slowly but surely, this approach started bringing in sales calls and introductions to dream clients. Here is a fascinating tidbit. Some clients assume we were too busy, so they didn't refer anyone to us. It just goes to show how important it is to maintain relationships beyond the project's completion. The relationship is not over, it is just beginning. Staying in touch with past clients can be a game changer. You can introduce them to someone you know, send them articles or book recommendations, comment on their social media posts, or even share ideas to help improve their marketing or business. Remember, the key is to keep nurturing those relationships, keep planting seeds, and keep your business pipeline full. So, start making those lists, sending those emails, and staying in touch with your network. You will be amazed at the results. Thanks for joining us today on this enlightening discussion about how to maintain a full pipeline for business success. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce to you how to connect with big fish and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.